If you're a photographer or a videographer, then you may have heard of a brand called Aputure. It's a well-known company that produces professional lighting equipment. Now, if you've been looking for a portable video light, then you most definitely have heard of their product, the Aputure MC or MX. And while these products are highly rated and reviewed, they're priced slightly more than what some people may be willing to pay for. So this led me to search for a great alternative at a more affordable price. And that's when I stumbled upon a brand called Vijim, who also produce professional lighting equipment but focus more on the portability side of things. Their direct competitor for the Aputure MC would be their product, the VL120, which is $30 less. However, if you're searching for an even cheaper option, then you may be interested in the VL120, which comes at just under $30. And that's the product that I'll be unboxing and reviewing in today's video. So, we have a USB Type-C cable which allows for fast charging, which is always nice to see. We also have a simple mounting base, which you can mount on top of your camera or anywhere else. And we also have the silicone cover, which allows the light to be softened. We also have the LED video light itself. And last but not least, we also have some colored filters, which allows you to change the color of the light. It's nice of them to include. All of this for $30. It's not bad. So it does give you an indication on how much battery is left using the red LEDs up here. The VL120 and the Aputure MC actually have an LCD screen at the back which shows you the battery percentage. However, this is only $30, so we have to keep that in mind. It is bi-colored, meaning you can change the temperature of the light. You can either have it cold or warm. And you can also dim it and increase the brightness. And trust me when I tell you, this is bright. In fact, I'm just gonna switch over and show you how bright this actually is. So to give you an idea on how bright the video light actually is, I'm gonna quickly turn off my key light and switch this on. So this is how the light looks when it's completely dimmed down. And this is it at its full capacity. It's very bright. As I already mentioned before, you can change the color temperature. I believe it ranges from 3200 to 6500, which is not bad. Now this is currently without the silicone cover. So if I wanted to soften the light, I would simply put this on and there we go. I have much softer light on my face at the moment. I think the best way to describe this light is by saying that you get what you pay for, perhaps a little more. At just under $30, you get a mini portable bi-colored light with a 3100 mAh battery, which can also change colors by inserting the filters inside the silicone cover. It's pretty neat. I hope you guys enjoyed this short product review, and if you have any further questions, then please leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, if you've been looking